Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you in Notion everything you need to know. So as a beginner, and if you want to know some of the basic and essential features of Notion, then this tutorial is for you. First, you have to go to Notion, sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or email address. But for me, the easiest way to sign up is by connecting your Google account to your Notion. So let me tap my Google account here. And as you can see, how do you want to use Notion? You have three options right here. Of course, for team, for personal use, or for school. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click for personal use. Now you can see here what's on your mind. You can select from any option right here and then click continue. And here is your Notion dashboard. Here is your workspace. This is the name of your workspace. You can create a new one if you want. So if you tap this, then you will see all the option. And if you want to create a new one, just click at this three dots and create a new workspace. So here you can see search, Notion AI, inbox, home, getting started, and different options right here like templates, settings, and so on. So basically, this is the instruction of how are you going to start with creating project here in Notion. So just create a new page and then follow the instruction right here. Okay, so to start, of course, what you're going to do is you need to click this plus icon to create a new page. So if you want to create something like a dashboard for your daily routine, to-do list, let's just say your weekly project or about your work, about everything here, tracker, habit trackers. So there are tons of things that you can do inside this dashboard in Notion. So to start, just click plus new page. This is new page right here. So before anything else, if you want to use the whole page, you can click this three dots above and toggle on small text and this full width right here so that you can use the full or the whole blank page. Now we're going to create a name for our dashboard. So let's just say for this tutorial, I'm going to create like a daily routine. Okay. But if you also want to use from other templates here, if you think that it's not easy or it's kind of hard for you to start from scratch, then don't worry. You can go to Notion templates and use any of their template here. Now, there is also this category. So you can search for that specific category, like if you want to create for your daily routine, like what I've mentioned earlier, a simple tracker, like budget tracker, or let's just say habit tracker. If you have upcoming flight, and then you can look for that itinerary, something like here. So there are tons of templates to choose from. All you have to do is select one. But for this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch because this is Notion everything you need to know. So I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard or template for daily routine. Okay, so we're not going to use any of the template here in Notion. We're going to start from scratch. What I'm showing you right now is just an overview of some templates here, but actually if you know how to use Notion, if you are familiar or if you become familiar with everything here, like the templates, the field, the property, everything, you can make same as their template. Okay, so to start, all you have to do is go and tap this plus or new page. And then I'm going to type here a daily routine. Okay, daily routine. Of course, we can add a cover. So if you want to add cover, just tap this one. You have choices here. You can upload your own cover. You can also paste a link or you can get from Unsplash. Here, these are the free pictures from Notion. You can just search for the specific keyword, for example, life. Okay, so I can see that there are tons of pictures for life, but let me grab this one and use this one. You can change the position and then save. But you can also change this if you want. You can upload your own picture to set as your cover photo. You can add an icon here. and then add something here like my rule, my life, something like that. You can also add a link. You can mention someone. You just have to click this three icons on the right side. Okay, so basically we have the cover photo, the icon, the name of our dashboard, which is daily routine. Now to start with something, you have to toggle on small text and full width to use the whole page. And to start with something again, you need to type slash, and then you need to, scroll down to see what you want to put here. For example, if you want to add table view, if you want to add image view, if you want to add text, headings, if you want to add calendar view, if you want to add list view, to-do list, and a lot of things here, even AI, you just have to type slash, scroll down, and look for that specific thing you want to add. Okay, chart or anything here. So you just have to type slash and then scroll down. So for this tutorial, I'm going to add headings. So let me type slash heading. Okay, choose from heading one, two, three. Okay, and then I'm going to type morning. Okay, so morning routine. And then here I'm going to type slash again. And then this time I want to add table. Just say table view. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So let me create, okay, new table view here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, feel free to edit everything here. You can edit or you can rename this if you want. And then, as you can see, this is what we call property. Okay, tags. Okay, let me change this one first, morning. So we can add name here. This one is property. If you want to edit this or delete this one, if you think that this one is not necessary, you can change this or you can edit this. So this is or these are properties right here. Okay, you can add something like text, date, okay, numbers. You can add a field here. Status, everything is up to you. But for this time, I want to add time. To add again another property or field, just click the plus icon. And this time, I'm going to add text. So let me correct. The first one is text, first property is text, and the second one is text too. And edit this with, let's just say, routine. Okay, so time, routine, to add again another property, you just have to rename and then status. For status, actually, you can edit option right here. For example, if you want to edit it like to do, in progress, and done. So you can add options right here, but actually everything is up to you. You can say not yet or done or something like that. And then yeah, something like that. These are the sample fields that I want to add for my daily routine dashboard. You can even add budget if you're looking for a simple budget tracker. Actually, these fields and properties are free to use. It depends on the dashboard that you're working or you're creating. Okay, so I have here also checklist. Now I'm going to add something here for my morning routine, and I'm going to add some information about my morning routine. So as you can see, I have added here my morning routine, the time, routine description. For status, you just have to click and then choose from your option, the option that you have provided, like done, to do, in progress. Everything is up to you. Okay, so you just have to simply click and then look for the status. Okay, so for another property here, I have added link. So it means that I want to paste something here like a video as my inspiration. So for checklists, you can tap the routine that you have, or anything here that you have started or you're done, then you can click check and so on. So basically that's it. To add a more database, you just have to type slash again. For example, I'm going to add to-do list. So I want to add to-do list right here. I'm going to check if I'm done. To add again, type slash. And then if you want to add image, you just have to look for image. If you want to add paragraph, text, if you want to add another view, you just have to simply type slash right here. You can add a picture like someone, might be your inspiration. Okay, you can also add a video. You can add article. You can add files. Everything is up to you. You can even add calendar if you want to see here all the events or upcoming events or parties. You can add it in the calendar view. So basically, that's it. At first, it's kind of hard to use, but actually, if you get used with properties, with the view, with the charts and everything here, then it would be easier for you to use Notion and be part of your life. So basically, that's how easy it is. Notion, everything you need to know. If you want to know more about Notion, you can visit our channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.